Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing the weather in Canada, how it is. You can see it is heavy snow day. Also, I will be sharing the lunch menu which I prepared today, and I will be starting the video with a nice sweet treat, very simple and very traditional recipe. Weather here in Canada is really very different experience. Today it is nicely snowing, tomorrow it will be raining, and day after tomorrow it will be nice sunny day. That's how every day it will be a different experience. Morning first thing I prepared was firni. Very easy, simple recipe, very traditional, and the sweet which we often made in our childhood we had is that firni, which is made with semolina. For that I have just peeled lot of almonds. These almonds I just kept for 1 minute in microwave, and just if you press like this, it will come out easily. You can peel it. That's one tip for people who have forgot to soak the almonds. I have taken a nice wide open pan. In that I have taken 2 teaspoons of ghee and 2 cardamom. Followed by that I added 1 glass of water. It is a tip, don't add milk directly over the ghee, otherwise the milk will splatter or it will split also sometimes. That is why add water and then milk. Milk is 1.5 liter. Now I am going to chop the almonds. You can see until the milk comes to a boil, we will prepare this. This is very easy. This kind of hand choppers and all, you can easily chop the almonds or any vegetables also. In this milk I have added saffron. Saffron is optional. If you want to make this simple recipe into a nice rich one, you can add saffron. I have taken just 3/4 glass of semolina or suji, and 3/4 glass or 1 glass of sugar also I will be adding in this. Followed by that, very little suji only you should add. Suji, semolina or rava, differently it is called in different regions. And also to make it more rich, I am adding milkmaid. Milkmaid will give nice condensed flavor, nice condensed milk flavor, and also richness to your sweet. Of course, simplest way, you don't need to add all that. Simple sugar only we will add, but I am adding condensed milk. Now I have added the almonds also inside the semolina itself. Nicely let it come to a boil. At that time, this hearty tempering. For tempering in ghee, I have fried cashews and raisins. Give it a good mix. The flavor I gave was rose essence. Very beautiful flavor, and garnish it with nice contrast color pistas. You can see I have taken it out in 2 boxes. I will be sharing that blue box with my neighbor also. Today I had a really different experience of driving in snow. While we have to go and pick up kids from school, it was heavy snow time. At this time it is very risky to drive as well. The roads will be skidding, and you can see even kids are walking by the side in the walking path. Both the side, left and right, both the side schools. One side it is high school and the other side it is elementary school. You can see high school kids all are waiting outside. They are also getting dispersed. School bus is also in front, and you can see right in front in my lane there is one car is already in some trouble. Hazard light is on. Many times you won't be able to drive the cars. The wheels will be keep on rolling, but your car won't move. That will be the problem always while you are driving in snow. But watching snowfall is really a wonderful experience, and it is also a beautiful experience, I would say. Every time when you see snowfall, you will feel really very happy. It will look really snow, very white and feather like things falling from top. Really beautiful experience. Now let's get started with our cooking. I am going to prepare this mutton first. I have taken 1.5 kg of mutton. In that, onion, tomato, green chilies, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, salt and water. This is basic boiling the mutton with soup. For multiple recipes I am going to use. That is why first I boiled chana and then now I am going to boil this mutton. This mutton, right, in that you can increase the water or decrease depending on if you are going to have some soup also. You can also have some 1 or 2 cups of soup. See, now our mutton is very much ready. Today I will be preparing Goast and karela. That is, karela Goast is one of the salan or the curry and the other is nothing but the Aloo Goast. I am going to prepare 2 curries because tomorrow we have to go out and I will not be able to do cooking, so I will cook a little extra today itself. We cut all the bitter gourds like this only in big pieces, so I will have to cook it in Instapot. I have taken 1 large tomato and 1 large onion. If you want to increase the quantity of the curry, you have to increase the tomato and onions only. Whenever you're preparing multiple dishes, always look for ideas how you can quickly prepare things in less time. That's what I keep doing. Now I have taken onion, tomato, little bit of tamarind and garlic. I will make it into fine paste. Now in Instapot, in some oil, I have taken turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and little bit of ginger garlic paste. In that I will be adding this paste which we prepared, that is onion, tomato, tamarind and garlic. Now I have repeated once again. Nicely give it a good mix. Adjust the water consistency whatever you want and look for the salt taste according to your taste. And I am finally adding the bitter gourd. Nicely give it a good mix and I will cover it and cook for 5 minutes. In Instapot, it is very heavy Instapot, you can say. Instantly it will cook nicely. So 5 minutes is more than enough for bitter gourd to get ready. Meanwhile, let's prepare little bit of pulao. I have taken 2 glass of rice, 4 glass of water, oil and shahi zeera, salt to taste. That's all. Keep it on stove for 5 minutes on high and 10 minutes on low. Your pulao will be very much ready. It's a beautiful snowy weather day. Whatever the condition is, even if it is snowing, the school will be on. The school buses were rolling on the roads, you saw. Now you will see even the garbage truck will come to pick the garbage. The blue baskets in front of the house, that is garbage. Recycle bins and garbage bags, 2 trucks will be coming. 1 truck already came and gone and the other truck is here to take the garbage. While our pulao is getting cooked, let's prepare korma, that is aloo korma. I have taken oil and ghee together. In that, whole spices, aloo or potato, 2 in number. In that, ginger garlic paste, chili powder and dhania powder. That's all. Salt to taste. Nicely give it a good saute. Don't let it burn. At that time I am adding only tomato paste, tomato puree or tomato paste, whatever you call it. And I had fried onions, full 1 cup, so I am adding that fried onion itself. And yogurt, 1 full cup yogurt I have added. Now we will cover it up and cook until all the potatoes are well done. That's it. See, these are our boiled chickpeas or chana and our mutton is ready. Bitter gourd is getting cooked. Aloo korma is getting cooked. Meanwhile, we will prepare another dish. This is chana I have taken in a bowl. I will make dahi chana also for lunch today. This is homemade yogurt. At the end, I will share how I make yogurt also once again. I will add the yogurt in the chana and salt to taste. I will add little more yogurt. You have to add more yogurt in this dish. Usually we will make this dish every day in the month of Ramadan. This is nice cooling effect it will give and also good proteins. Rest of the chana and all I will just put in Ziploc and boxes and keep it in the freezer. Now it's a hearty tempering for the chana. I have taken enough oil. In that, urad dal, mustard seeds and also the curry leaf. For a crunch I am adding nice peanuts also. Now I am adding hing and little bit of chili flakes. This peanuts are optional. I like nice crunchy taste to that dahi chana, so I am adding it. Nicely give it a good mix. This hearty tempering is the key for this recipe. Definitely try this recipe. I'm sure everybody will love in your house too. Instead of making normal raita and all, you can make this kind of dahi chana also and keep, everybody will like. Now potatoes are well done in this korma. At that time I will add half of the mutton which we boiled inside this korma, and half of the soup also I will add in it. Little bit of garam masala and green chilies we will add in this and leave it to cook on dum for 5 minutes, so that aloo and mutton will get cooked together in this korma. That's it. Our aloo goast ka korma is very much ready for lunch and dinner too. Now at the same time, here our bitter gourd is also well done. Check your salt. At the time I am adding this remaining mutton and mutton soup inside this. For both the curries, to increase the quantity and to give a different taste, you can add ground coconut. But today I am not adding ground coconut anything. This curry itself is too much for me, and the taste is also really good even without adding coconut. If you want, if you prefer, you can definitely add coconut in both the curries. Always use lot of coriander or cilantro leaves in all the dishes. It is very good for health and also adds extra flavor and taste to your dish in the final touch. Ramadan is fast approaching, so next week onwards I will be starting my Ramadan preparation and I will be sharing that with all of you. Keep watching. Also, there are many Ramadan preparation videos already on my channel from previous years. Do check out those videos also. For your convenience, I will leave all the links in the description box too. No plate is complete without any salad in our house. That's how I made the simple cucumber salad, that is cucumber, tomato and lettuce. Simple salad which you can always keep to fill up your plate. That's it. This is my lunch time. Late in the evening, when the snow has stopped, these kind of vans will be rolling on the roads, clearing up the snow. Even in the main roads, you will see big trucks with salt water and this kind of shovels. Even in front of our house or anybody's house also, right? When the snow is fresh, it is easy. If you leave it overnight, this snow will become hard ice. So at least your walking path and from your car and all, you have to remove it instantly when the snow is light and fluffy. Every alternate days I make this yogurt at home. That's how I am adding that clip again here. You can see, always make yogurt when the milk is lukewarm, then only it will be nice and set. Do not keep for yogurt to ferment more than 3 hours. That is more than enough. That's how I do. The yogurt will be perfectly fine. Hope you all like this video and the recipes I have shared today. Next week onwards, I will be sharing all my Ramadan preparation, and related to Ramadan only all the recipes will be. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.